same trick which I showed you, which looks something like this. So I'm gonna be teaching you this trick. So first of all, how to perform this trick. So for this trick, what you wanna need is a ring, and you have to practice this. You just practice doing this with every finger. Just practice doing this first. If you get this, then it's okay. Just practice doing this. This is the thing that you wanna practice first. Let me show you this. See this, then after with this finger, see, just do this and this. See, what I'm gonna doing is I'm just lifting this finger upward, which actually put the ring upward, then releasing this, and with this finger I'm pulling this upward. See, just this, pulling this upward, and then putting pressure with middle finger. See, index finger, middle finger. That's what you gonna do with this. See, that's you wanna practice with all the finger, just doing this, and then you wanna practice doing this with the ring and the pinky finger. See, just this. See, this is only you need to practice. See, just practice doing this. So we are gonna start in this position with your hand right here. See, you are gonna start ring in your thumb, and then with your index finger with your thumb you are pass this ring to the index finger. Then you know the move I tell you to practice. Then you are gonna perform this move by releasing this thumb. See this, then the move which you practice here, then here. After doing this, after you reach here, again you are gonna perform the move that I taught you to practice. This move I told you, and reverse it. Then again comes the move, this move. So that's all. So there is nothing to teach about this flourish, this ring flourish. Actually there is nothing much to teach about this ring flourish, because this just need practice. This flourish just need practice. See, let me show you. So here, then it goes here, then perform the move, put it here, and here. So that's what you wanna doing. See, let me show you one more time. This is the finger, this you are gonna clip this way, then with this release this with your thumb, again put pressure middle finger, then pressure with your ring finger, then with your pinky finger, then you are just gonna reverse this order. So that's all you are doing. So that's the first trick. This finger. So I just pass this ring through this finger. See, just this way, I act like I am removing it, and it actually comes out of my finger just like that. So how did I perform this trick? So first of all, to perform this trick, what you wanna do is, see, first of all, to perform this trick, what you wanna do is, see, this is the ring, and after After you have the ring in your hand, just like this, you are gonna actually see this ring. You are gonna bring it upward this way, see, just by pressing this way, and when it comes at this here, you are gonna make the ring just like this, see, this way. So it's above this bending bone, see, this where the joint is now, it's just above the joint, see, like this, see, this way. See, you get it? So in front it look like it's not surpassed the joint, but from back it's actually further above from the joint, just like this. So see this, and so you are gonna act like the ring is joint, and this is the moment when the ring has passed the joint. See, you can see it from back, so you have to just bring it here. Then you have to practice this move, bending the finger and removing it. See, in slow it would look like this. See, it's actually come out this way, and the finger again goes to its normal position. See, let me show you one more time. See this way, and just the finger go to normal. In this move also there is nothing to show you much, it's just all about practice. You just have to practice this move thoroughly to get this right. See, let me show you. So this is the finger, you put it diagonally just like this, and then the finger just come down and the ring is removed. You have to just do this in fast. See, so it creates a illusion that the ring has been removed. See, you can see it now. See how my finger bends, that's how it looks in slowly, but if you do it fast, it actually looks like the ring has came out. See, just like that. See, just like that, it looks like the ring has actually came out. See, let me show you one last time. See, so this is my hand and this is the finger, so you just had to do this. See, this way it's actually look like it's come out. So what you wanna do is just perform this. It's actually came out this way. See, this way, just. So that's the ring trick. Let's jump to the next trick, which look in which you actually coin not disappear, and ring trick in which you tap 1 2 3 and the ring disappears. So it's happened very much fast. All this trick actually take much practice, just practice to perform. So if we tap 1 2 3, what I actually do is I toss the ring upward this way. I had also taught in one of my pen tricks, see, this up way, and I fastly catch it with my these 3 fingers. See, I am just catching it. I just do it in a very fast motion so that I can't keep up. See, 1 2, see, 1 2 3. So it look like the ring has gone. So what you gonna do, you're gonna steal the ring with these 3 fingers. See, just like this one. See, just like this, 1 2 3. See, let me show you slowly. 1 2. I can't show it slowly because it had to perform fast. See, you are just tossing the ring just like this, and when the ring is in there, you are gonna just catch the ring with these 3 fingers. See, 1 2. I am actually looking at the, so that's why. So 1 2 3. See, you are gonna just catch it with these 3 fingers. See, this way. So the ring is in the air, you are gonna just catch it this way, and then after this you are gonna use your thumb just like this. When you catch it, you just put the thumb inside, and now the ring is inside your thumb. So that's how you do this trick. So let's jump to the next trick, which is this trick, the rising. So in this trick you are gonna need a rubber band. So it's a very simple trick. You are gonna just pinch the half of the rubber band like this and stretch it, following the ring, and slowly release, and slow by slow release the rubber band. See, just like this. So the ring travels upwards. See, just like this. So it's create a illusion that the ring is traveling upward. So that's only to this trick. See, I am just pulling this upward, releasing the rubber band from here. See, if I do it fast, it will came to know. So that's the last trick.